Good afternoon, Ms. Henderson. Thank you so much for having this meeting with me. I understand that you do have a meeting that you need to go to, so I will make this as quickly as I possibly can so that you can attend your meeting as well. As you know, I've been with the organization for 6 years and it has been great. The organization has been great to me, giving me a promotion to have 5 people to work under me to evaluate recruits, job evaluations. The responsibility has been tremendous, and I am so ever grateful for it. I want you to know that as much as I love this organization, I want to continue to doing my best for this organization. And by doing that, I want to go higher. I want to give you my all, and I want to offer you my all. And in return, I'm just asking to mold me into what you see fit for me to be the best that you need for your organization. And with that, I want to know if there's a way we can negotiate my salary. Now, right now, I am so grateful for the bonus that I did receive, and it was just overwhelming because it was a surprise to me, and I thank you for that. As far I would like to discuss my salary and negotiate a higher pay. I have done my research, and people in my position has received a higher pay rate for exactly doing what I am doing. Right now, I am currently getting 40,000 per year, and for someone in my position who's doing the work I'm doing, who is up higher, the regular position price should be at least 45 to 52. I am willing to meet you in the middle with this because I want to stay with this organization because I have built trust in this organization, the skills in this organization, and I feel as though that I can give you my all, give you the best of the best to make this organization the best that it is. And with that, I'm just asking to renegotiate my salary as an increase of my salary to move ahead to give you what your company needs. I did go to additional training so I can learn more about my position, learn more about the organization, and with the knowledge that I have received from the classes that I did go to, I can use towards my position here or even a higher position that will suit this company. So with that in mind, I'm hoping that we can discuss my position, my salary, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say.